れましたか？ね、ビター&スイスペシャル。
Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. My name is Nick Effendi, and if you're watching this for the first time, welcome. And if you're back here, welcome back. Today I'm heading down to Kyoto. I'm here in Osaka Station. We're just about to get on the JR to Kyoto, so it's gonna be fun. It's my first time. It was a first for everything. It was a fantastic time in Osaka with Devina and Ed, and we're gonna see them again actually in Kyoto very shortly as well. So we're meeting up with them, probably visiting some shrine and stuff like that. So that's gonna be fun. More food to come and more good stuff to come. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, here it goes. Fancy stuff. And the only thing what I don't like about the Shinkansen is that it's hard to put your luggage if you got a big luggage. I mean, you can put it up here. You know, if you got a really wide luggage, it's kind of difficult to do that. And kind of scared that it's gonna fall to your head and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the general layout of the seating arrangement, like 2 on the right, 2 on the left. This is a reserved seat, so we got actually a reserved seat here. There are other carriages down the back that are not reserved. There's a vending machine right here, quite interesting. And basin wash area here as well. This is the funniest thing. So that's a pissing area, right? But like if you're pissing, someone can actually see you doing it from the back here. That's, you know, quite interesting. In Japan, you know, a lot of things are quite unique and weird, to be honest. I've been in a public restroom where the cleaner lady was actually cleaning one of the areas, and there was a guy next to the lady, and he was like casually pissing. So with most bullet train, they don't actually pick up the speed that you love to see until like you're further out from the city. Generally, it's just also as a safety thing as well. But once you can see as you get out from Osaka, it'll speed up a lot more, and you'll get to your destination a lot faster. And if you're in it for the speed, you gotta get on this train. It's just wow! It's one way to travel around across Japan as well. It's actually my second because I've already traveled to Osaka. But man, this is always a sight to see. You know, you're looking at all the building and you're passing like 100 meters in like a second, like that. So we'll be in Kyoto in like 20 minutes. That's how near it is from Osaka. All right, I've just arrived in Kyoto Station. Lots of things to do, check in an hotel, and then we're gonna go sightseeing, and then we're gonna go eat, everything. You know the drill, let's go. The thing about booking a hotel, right? You gotta book a hotel that's next to like a subway train station, because that's just gonna make it a lot easier when you're traveling around Japan. But generally, most hotels are positioned kind of near to the train station anyway, so it's not so bad. Okay, so got spoiled by obviously Moxie in Osaka. This obviously is more your kind of like standard room. It's quite small, and it is kind of tight here as well. I'll show you the bathroom as well. Okay, so this is the bathroom. So as you can see, very different from Moxie. It's very small, just comparatively very normal stuff here. Yeah. Here, this space here, that's it. This is the bedroom, and then this is the window. How do I push this up? Let me open that again. Okay. That's it. That's how far it opens. It's pretty much. But yeah, I'm looking forward to exploring Kyoto here and eating some of the great food. Overall, the hotels isn't bad. I mean, you've got a very luxurious and posh kind of looking lobby. But obviously the room, it's like most Japanese room. It's quite small and cramped. But then again, I kind of like book sort of the base room kind of size that they have. I mean, you could book a suite and it gets bigger and bigger in terms of the room size. So it just really depends. But most of the days, anyway, you're spending probably like 6-7 hours just to sleep, and most of the time you're outside on and about, and you're kind of enjoying the city, the life and what really, I guess, Kyoto, where I am right now, has to offer. Apparently, one of the easiest way to travel around Kyoto, other than bike, train, is actually bus as well. Because some places you can't get there by a train. You have a lot more walking to do if you take the train. So bicycle and buses are usually one of the easiest ways to get to around Kyoto as well. Tonight I find myself in this alleyway, Pontonchodori Street. It's an alleyway filled with a lot of restaurants on your left and your right. As you can see as I'm walking past, I've been walking about 100 meters now, and it just stretches from one end to the other end. But tonight I'm here for my own dinner menu. It is a Kichi Kichi Omurice. It is omelette over fried rice. It's famous over Instagram. That people have videoed as well, and tonight is something I want to try. Just around the corner here, so I hope it's as good as everybody's made out it to be, and I'll taste it myself and see it firsthand if it's as good as it says. So this should be quite an experience. All right. Okay, so there's another street over here, so we're just gonna keep walking until we get to our destination. So huh? Kenapa? So you guys probably can see like the seats literally limited, and just up to there, and that's it. That's number seats, and the bars is just right in front of you. And that's the owner. Finally in, finally in. I feel like there was a guy at the 7 o'clock session who had reservation, and apparently they overbooked, and there was only one spot left. So somehow he got in, he got a table, and there he came out really happy. So hopefully we're happy too tonight. Gotta be so thanks. I know, right?
Nice.
It's like a theater show. Shokugeki no Kichi Kichi. Oh. That's a lot of pepper. So
これはカッティングスタイル。ね、これはスペシャルスタイル。あなたメイキングスタイル。
Okay.
では行きますよ。カッティングスタイル。ではオープン。パッ。パーン。ね。では。はい。ガラガラガラ。ね。インサイドイズベリーソフト。ガラガラガラ。ね。では from night show time。カッティング。レディー。コーナー&コーナー。ね。でビッグソース、ね、ビカー&スイーツ、キチキチオムライス、ね、ベリーデリシャス。これで、おー、ね。では、
This is so good.
カッティングスタイル。
It's so good.
こちらの場合はスペシャルですね。いいですか。はい、じゃあ、
And what a show, right?
はい、では、いきますよ。
Well, you guys know what to do. Get that and reserve your seat here.
Video.
Yeah.
Happy omelette.
There you go, guys. Don't forget to reserve, hit the like button, and subscribe. Yeah.
Happy omelette. Happy omelette. Oh yeah.
That's right.
世界中からみんながキチキチ
This is awesome, right?
にやってくる Happy omelette.
Happy omelette.
キチキチオムライス